Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Airbnb login not working. First, make sure you're entering the correct email or phone number and password. Then, double check for any typing errors and ensure that the caps lock is off. Next, check your internet connection because a slow or unstable network can interrupt the login process. Now, if you've forgotten your password, tap on the forgot password and follow the steps to reset it. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for Airbnb, swipe it away, closing it completely, wait for a few hours and reopen it. Then try logging in again. You can also restart your phone to fix the temporary glitches. Now, if you're using a browser, clear cache and cookies and try logging in again. If the login still does not work, wait for a few minutes and then try again as there may be a temporary server issue. That's how you fix the Airbnb login not working. Subscribe for more easy tutorials.